To begin with, a judge candidate's not supposed to say what we would do in any specific situation. Our canon of ethics prevents us from doing that. That being said, a judge's basic responsibility is to follow the law. And, you know, the laws are written, the laws are interpreted by the courts. That's about probably all I could say. Is my first intention would be to follow the law. I don't feel like I'm the type of person that would be wanting to get out there and make any kind of new laws, this or that and the other. I leave that to the people that write them, the appellate courts that interpret them. So basically follow the law. Although, and again, I can't comment on specific instances of and what I would do in any specific case. The ethics of judicial candidates prevents us from doing that. Once you make a ruling, it's there. As far as some cases could get sent back to a judge to rule on. I feel confident in where I'm at in the law, and that's one of the things I feel like I offer the voters. This is the most experience of all candidates. I mean, I've got at least double the experience of each of the candidates, and I feel confident in where I've got in the law and doing the full-time practice that I've done. And I would feel that confident in my rulings that I make. It isn't that I'm going to make rulings to not get reversed or make rulings to get reversed. I feel I've got the experience and the capabilities to make the rulings right. And so I would have I wouldn't run scared of the appellate courts either reversing, or changing my rulings. I just simply do what I feel I've got the experience to do, and I think I can do it. Okay, I'll go back to that last question, which I've got 32 years of full-time experience. And all 32 years of that experience is in that courtroom where this judge is going to sit. All right. I've got a variety of experiences, I think, that when you put it all together, and for instance, I was a prosecutor 16 years. I've been defending now for 16 years. I've done family law all my career, at least double or triple what any of the other candidates have done. And when you take all those experiences and put them together, you come across a lot of things in the practice of law. And that's why you need those years and that breadth of experience or variety of experience to prepare you to be a judge, is so that when something comes in front of you, there's a really good chance that you've seen something like that before. And it's that variety of experience plus the length of experience compared to the other candidates that I feel will make me be the fairest judge for Polk County. In my 32 years of practice, again, I was prosecutor 16 years. And one of the, several times it happened that after I was no longer a prosecutor, I would have people come to me who I had sent to prison, for instance, and they would hire me to be their defense attorney. And I'm like, I thought that's a little odd, but so I would ask a few of them, hey, why'd you hire me to do this? And it was the greatest compliment that I could get, that someone would say, well, you were just doing your job, and even though you prosecuted me or sent me to jail or to prison, you were fair, you were respectful of me as a person. And that's what I really have to offer the people of Polk County. The one thing we can say is that the thing to the voters is the thing that I'm most qualified in, and that's the ability to be fair. Because of all that experience and all the time I've put in and all the different types of cases I've handled, I think I can take the facts when they come in front of me and reach the fairest result for the people of Polk County. And I'll be a judge for all the people, not just one group or another group, for every single person. And again, that's happened more than once, that people have said that to me, that they respected me because I was fair with them. I treated them with respect and dignity, even though I might have been on the other side of them. So that's what I've got to offer the people of Polk County.